Okay guys, so I did something to the 777 landing gear. I played around with this piece a whole bunch. I fixed the rubbing issue, so now it spins freely. And I even gave it some new suspension, as shown here. It's got 2 shocks now and a bigger control arm. And then I moved this beam forward one, and then gave it a stopper so that it wouldn't tilt too much. And yeah, so now the thing's got a whole bunch more travel. About how much more travel? Well, let's put this thing on and you'll see. All right, I put a grid up so that y'all can see. Here's the landing gear. So this will be our control angle. And it now, so it used to go to there. That's it, just about that much more angle. Now it goes to there. Look at all of that more, way more travel. You're gonna see the springs working. Yeah. Look at that. Roll.